So in this first chapter, we'll be installing Node, right? So let's go to node.js.org and then hit get node and then choose version from here. And also for OS, let's choose it from here. Since I'm using Windows, I'll be installing this Windows installer. And after that, let's choose the empty directory for setting up our project. And let's go to this top URL and then type cmd. And in the terminal, code and then dot, so that we can open up Visual Studio, right? And then let's choose this one and then let's cancel this one as well. And now let's make it big and then open up folder and let's choose that folder. And after that, what we have to do is let's go to the terminal, right? So we can go to the terminal from here as well. So new terminal, and after that what we have to do is let's open up fit, right? Because we'll be using fit, and let's copy this command to set up our React and then paste it over here. npm create vit latest and then dot, so that, and this dot, what it does is it'll install all the dependencies in this directory, right? So let's hit Y to process it, and then let's choose React, and then let's choose JavaScript. We'll be using JavaScript for this project, right? And JavaScript SWC, because that one is faster. And then for experimental, no. And then for installing with npm, yes. And then our packages has been installing, and it's been installed now. So the development server is running. So let's go to this URL. And then that's it. It's live now, right? But now let's go to main.jsx and let's optimize it a little bit, right? So let's go to src and then let's go to main.jsx and let's remove this CSS file from here, and let's also delete this file. We will not need it because we'll be using Chakra UI. And from app.jsx, let's remove this CSS file. And also, let's remove this file over here. And that should be it. But we are not removing CSS. I think we forgot to save the file. So let's go to main.jsx and let's hit Control S, and that should be it. So the CSS has been gone, right? Now let's remove all this content, right? So let's go to app.jsx and then let's remove everything we are returning here, and then let's just put a string with a name as Ecommerce, like that, and that's it. And in the next chapter we'll be setting up Chakra UI.